We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, as well as how to say more interesting, related and useful Latin expressions as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is used in the Roman Catholic Church's liturgy, meaning the Lord be with you. Dominus, Dominus, meaning the Master or the Lord. In classical Latin, the second word would be said as Vobiscum, Vobiscum, with the V pronounced like a U, although in English this is generally said as Vobiscum, Vobiscum, Dominus Vobiscum. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and expressions and phrases from Latin whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.